When we get out here, it's get them in the ground because the longer they sit, the more they can desiccate. So we want to get them in as quick as we can, and this is perfect conditions.
We've been breeding hybrid poplar, eastern cottonwood for 20 plus years. The reason we use breeding is to accelerate growth rates, look at favorable traits, fast growth, and disease resistance.
Hybrid poplar is one of the 3 main dedicated energy crops in the national targets for bioenergy. We have arguably the most renowned poplar breeding program in the world, certainly in North America.
So each one of these clones is mapped. We know exactly where each one is, what it is. Each one is an individual clone. Here's a good look at the root system.
We started breeding in 1996. Field testing, we have a large-scale field testing component started in 1999. So we've done over 20 years of breeding. It takes from the time of pollination in the greenhouse to clonal selection 10 to 12 years.
Fast, yes. Very fast. This is, of course, in the future, but you could foresee dedicated energy crops for, say, a bioethanol plant in a small town in Minnesota. That would be a new source of employment. There's been a big push to use cellulose, which is what we would get here, a non-food product for ethanol.
Concern about them escaping out into nature, they're really going to be outcompeted with the natural weeds and other herbaceous material competition. Under this system, we have to use chemical for short term, but then mechanical for first year, second year establishment. As the breeder, I have no crystal ball, and the future could be traditional markets. It could be pulp and paper. It could be an emerging chemistry or biofuels, or it could be for phytoremediation. I've always said as the breeder, I do not know what the end user will be, but I have to generate a lot of material, a lot of variability that can be adaptable in an ever-growing economy.
We have identical plots that were established both last year and this year in southern Indiana and central Iowa. We're trying to develop new genetic types of trees that will grow well in a broad range of the Midwest.